Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this classic structured tote from Cuyana. So over the past couple of weeks and kind of rounding out this week, I've been sharing a bunch of my favorite work bags or work totes. I've kind of been on the hunt for one. So it's been the style of bags that I've been like just kind of gravitating towards recently. At the end of this week for 5 Friday favorites, I plan to share a kind of review of all of the ones that I've been sharing and sharing my top like 5 or 6. So stay tuned for that one. But today's video is all on a brand that you guys have actually been requesting for quite some time. And I've had this classic structure tote here for a good couple of months. I think I bought it towards the end of last year, possibly on like a Black Friday situation or something like that. I can't remember, but I have been using it off and on ever since. It's one of my favorite like open bucket type totes. It's so perfect for work in my opinion. This here is the, I gotta remember, I'll try to link it down below as far as the color, but I think it's the champagne color. I was on the fence between this one as well as their like caramel or camel color. It's like a darker, richer tan color, but I ultimately went with this one and I really like it. I find that it matches with a ton of different things. It's easy to dress up and dress down. It is just a full open leather tote. I actually have it here on my shoulder because I have it packed really full. Like, I can't wait to show you what I have packed inside this one because it is packed to the max. It is like the perfect tote to like grab and go, throw everything inside of it, yet still look put together and a little bit elegant. But this is what it looks like here on the body, like fully packed. Like I have folders, my planner, books, iPad, everything packed inside, and it just fits really comfortably. You can actually, I mean, you can only wear it one way. It's a tote bag, but on the inside here, which I'll show you when I put the camera down, you can tie the center to kind of give it a little bit different of a silhouette. Or of course you can kind of untie it here and it opens the tote up even more, kind of makes it a little bit more square. So a couple of different ways, I guess, there that you can carry it. Just like with all of my videos, I will have linked below my What's in My Bag blog page, which will take you to everything that I typically pack inside my bag. So 9 times out of 10, if you're looking for something that you've seen in one of my packing videos, you can find it linked on that page. All right, instead of talking about the bag anymore here, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so that you can see the bag up close and see what fits inside. All right, here's the tote, all packed up. Let me actually get a little bit better of a view looking down at it since we don't have any outside pockets on this one. It's just a big open bucket type tote, which we love. I have it untied here at the top, so these little straps just kind of hang down in the bag when you don't have it tied. So back here in this back zipper pocket, I have so much stuff packed in pouches and organized in a way that I can find what I need quickly and I can grab out what I need and not have to have my whole bag at all times. But I did go ahead and throw just a few snacks back here in this back pocket just to actually put in my desk at work. But I have 2 of these Verb energy bars. I haven't tried either of these flavors, so I can't tell you if I like them or not. I'm kind of new to the Verb train, if you will. I also have 2 of these chicken sticks. You guys know I love those. Kind bar. I think that's probably it that I put down in there. Oh, I have my Kindle charger that I put down in there, actually. I need to put that in my little tech case, but that's all I have in this back pocket. You do have like a little pocket here in the front, like a flat pocket, and then a zipper pocket. I'll show you as I pull everything else out of this bag, but the zipper is nice and smooth. If I can kind of grab it there and show you. Okay, pulling out everything else that we have inside. I guess I'll just kind of start pulling stuff. No rhyme or reason really. I have a hair clip right there on top. I also have here a Erin Condren planny pouch, I believe is what it's called. There's a pocket here in the front. It has an elastic band on the back of it, which is really cool because you can put this around a book or a journal or a planner or a Bible or whatever you need. And then on the inside here, I actually just have a bunch of stuff for my planner and my notebook. I have a couple of these big like paper clips. I have a ton of sticky notes down in there because that's kind of what I use a lot of. Pen, highlighters. I have a few of these Erin Condren like box. They're like little boxes. You can stamp them and kind of use them for list taking, ruler for lines, just all that kind of stuff in there. But all of these are mainly Erin Condren products. It's kind of what I use, what I love. They have a ton of different writing utensils and stickers and the whole nine. So that is what I have down in this pouch here. Right next to it is a new item to me that I'm so excited about. If you follow me over on Instagram, you know I've been like raving about this. I put a poll out. There's so many of you that were like uber helpful. I've been deciding back and forth with whether or not I needed to try a Kindle instead of my big books that I carry around with me, and I'm gonna be doing some traveling for spring break, so I ultimately decided to give the Kindle a go. And I love this case. I love the Kindle already. I'm really excited to use it. So let me know if you're like a Kindle user or a book user. I hope I don't miss an actual book, but this is what we're gonna go, what we're gonna use for now. This stand here, which I did not know, this case actually makes a stand as well as a loop here for you to hold like your Kindle when you're reading it. Oops, like so. There is a magnetic like closure here on it also, so it doesn't like fall. But anyways, love the case, love the Kindle. I got both of these off of Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, another product right here, which you guys have seen before that I love. This is my tech case, kind of on the go, all the things. It was really cheap, maybe $5-8, something like that. But it's two-sided, and on this side I just have my portable charger that has all the different cords in it, so I can charge any device. I have my adapter over here. I have all of my charging cables typically live in here, other ears for my AirPods, my SD card holder, my Apple Pencil, just all perfectly kind of lives in this little tech pouch, and I like how organized it keeps everything instead of having cords everywhere. Another pouch I have in here is a new one that I got from Walmart actually. I love this thing. It is like a structured clear front pouch that's actually really high quality, like clear, if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Like sometimes you get clear pouches and they're just like gross. This is a really good one. Comes in a ton of different colors, solid color, check colored, light check, dark check. But inside here, it actually holds a lot. And it keeps everything really organized. I have like my teeth pickers here, a mirror, my cuticle cream, my labeled pill case, Band-Aids, chapstick, just all of that kind of small odds and ends type stuff in that one. Then I have right here in front the current like fanny that I'm using. This is the CeraVe Grand Fanny, I believe is what it's called. And I just have all of my like quick grab stuff that I would need to like pop in somewhere. I have the current wallet that I'm using, which is this Target one that I'm still obsessed with. I have my Touchland hand sanitizer, Clarity stuff, lip stuff, my hand cream, all of the stuff that I would need like really quickly like run in somewhere. I have in that fanny just so I don't have to bring like my big bag. And then what I have left in here is my Erin Condren planner. This is the hourly softbound planner. I also have in here my Erin Condren Priority and Notes notebook. And if you're curious how those are laid out or how I use them, I have a full video that kind of walks through that. And then I also have two Erin Condren folders in here, one for just miscellaneous stuff and one for some home renovations that we are starting on very soon again. So I need to kind of carry that stuff around with me. So that's what I have inside these like folders and notebook. And then last but not least, I have this MZ Wallace Metro pouch. And inside here, I just have my iPad Pro with the Magic Air or whatever, the keyboard that goes with it is attached to it there. So this is a great little case for it. So that's everything I have inside this tote. You can see that back kind of pocket now and the zipper pocket. It is so big, holds so much, and it's just really classic looking. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in this classic structure tote from Cuyana. It's a really good one. I will have links to this bag as well as everything that was packed inside my bag down in the description box, as well as pinned at the top of the comments. If you have any questions or need help finding something, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.